Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to the eTeach Consult Diaries. Today we are going to look at how to center text across a selection of cells. We should know that normally when we are working and we have a header and we really want to center the header across the data, what normally we do is that we select the whole range of cells and we merge it. So you can see that here this cell is really merged, and sometimes when we work that way we face challenges where we have to really rearrange the columns in future. So example, assume that we want to change the content of cell G1, we right click and we go to clear content. It will tell us that we cannot do that to a merged cell. In the same way, assuming we really want to change or cut the column G, so cut and paste it, it will tell us that we can't do that to a merged cell.
If you want more of these Excel videos, please click on the big red subscribe button below the videos to subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification icon bell to get notified when new videos are published.
So for us to be able to do that, we need to center text across a selection. So first we'll clear the merge. So now we have our text in cell A1. So we'll select the range where we want our header, that's the center text across selection, to be the header. So we'll select the range and we'll use the shortcut key Ctrl+1, or you right click and go to format cells and you get that. Then you go to alignment. Under the text alignment we have horizontal, so you click on the drop down and you select center across selection and then you click on OK. Automatically you will see that the text is really centered across the cells selected. So in the same way we can repeat that for this particular header. You can see that in this situation this is merged. As you can see here that the merged icon is really highlighted, merge and center, and we don't want that, so you can just repeat it by simply using the F4 key. Automatically you see that the merge is gone, so we have repeated what we did initially on this particular selected cells. In the same way we can press on F4 and the same applies here. So you can see that after this we can simply really select column J. Remember that initially when you selected and we wanted to cut it and paste it to another column, it told us that we can't do that to a mess. So see what happens here. We can simply insert it here and it's done with no difficulty at all. In the same way we can edit any content that we want to. We can even select the whole, and let's say we want to clear it, we can do clear content and automatically it's cleared. So here you can see that the text or the header is really selected across a selection of cells and you don't have any difficulty when you want to manipulate the data. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on eTeach Consult Diaries. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.